Into the Unknown from Frozen 2. Guys, so what we have right here is this beautiful clear one where you can get from Walmart.
You're not a voice, you're just a ring in my ear. And if I heard you, which I don't, and spoken for, I fear. Everyone I've ever loved is here within these walls. I'm sorry, secret siren, but I'm blocking out your calls. I've had my adventure, I don't need something new. I am afraid of what I'm risking if I follow you into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. What do you want? 'Cause you've been keeping me awake. Are you here to distract me so I make a big mistake? Or are you someone out there who's a little bit like me, who knows deep down I'm not where I'm meant to be?
Every day is a little harder as I feel my friends grow. Don't you know there's part of me that loves to know?